Hello everyone, welcome to 11th Standard Computer Studies. Nowadays, computer is necessary to learn in our life because we are living in the era which is developed day by day with new technologies, right? So, we also have to update it with this technology and it is important in every field like education, business, bank and many more. So, we also learn about this subject, right? So let's see the contents which we learn in this year. First is introduction to multimedia. In this chapter, we learn about multimedia. Second one is animation tool like a graphics. That's a Corel Draw and Photoshop, right? So here is the same thing which we learn. Third one is creating animation using Synfig. So in Synfig software, we create animation. Fourth one is introduction to layers. So, second to five chapter is all about syncing, right? Then after six is basic Ubuntu Linux command. In this chapter, we learn about commands which is used in Linux. Seventh is Vim editor and basic scripting. In this chapter, we do a scripting that is code programming coding in Vim editor. It is advanced scripting. So in Vim editor we do a advanced scripting. Then after ninth is introduction to database management system. We all see the websites, right? And all data is a dynamic and it is come through database. It is all saved in database management system. So we learn about database, working with tables, that is in database, and retrieving data using queries. Whatever data we store in table which is retrieving using queries. Forms and reports. We create a forms about all the data that is we set in table which is created forms and reports. Then after 13 is current trends and technologies, right? So here is a 13th chapter we learn in this year. So let's start with first chapter, that is introduction to multimedia. What is multimedia? So multimedia is like text, audio, image, video, graphics, animation, right? So it all about multimedia, which is used in our daily life. So here is the content which we learn in this chapter. First is introduction to multimedia. What is multimedia? Elements of multimedia, interactive objects, classification of multimedia, usage of multimedia, stages in multimedia production. This content which we learn in this lesson. So let's start first. It is introduction to multimedia. So multimedia is used in communication. So communication is an integral part of our life. Communication is an integral part of life. In our daily life, we will communicate with people, right? We communicate with people daily. So it is an integral part. We use various means of communication like radio, newspaper, television, theater, internet, and others. Here is the medium which is used for gaining a knowledge, right? All this medium help us gain knowledge of educators. This medium is used for gaining knowledge. It's educate us. A single medium of information is just not enough to convey meaningful message to variety of audiences. मीन्स व्हाट, जो भी सिंगल मीडियम है लाइक अ टेक्स्ट, राइट? तो टेक्स्ट अगर हम हमारे फ्रेंड्स को कोई कोई फ्रेंड्स को अगर हम एसएमएस करते हैं तो दैट इज नॉट इनफ टू मीनिंगफुल मैसेज. फॉर एग्जांपल, one friend is sending a text to her friend, right? And describing about her trips, right? तो टेक्स्ट है, उससे वो इतना विजुअलाइजेशन नहीं कर सकता कि वो ट्रिप में उसने कितना फन किया होगा. अगर वो उसके साथ पिक्चर सेंड करता है तो हाँ, वो थोड़ा विजुअलाइज करेगा कि हाँ ऐसी प्लेस है, इट्स मोर फन, राइट? देन आफ्टर ही सी सेंड्स वीडियो, अगर वीडियो सेंड करते हैं तो उसको देख के वो पूरा ज्यादा से ज्यादा विजुअलाइजेशन कर सकेगा कि वो ट्रिप में कितना मजा किया, राइट। तो ये सारे जो मीडियम है, जैसे टेक्स्ट हुआ, पिक्चर्स हुआ, वीडियो हुआ, तो ये सारे मीडियम मतलब कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ मीडियम, उससे एक मीनिंगफुल मैसेज मिलता है ऑडियंस को, राइट। हियर इज द लेवल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। सो ट्विटर, फेसबुक, ईमेल, टेक्स्ट मैसेज में हम मैसेज सेंड कर सकते हैं बट एक दूसरे का आवाज नहीं सुन सकते, फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन नहीं देख सकते। सेम इंस्टेंट मैसेज में, लेटर में भी होगा। देन आफ्टर फोन की बात करें तो फोन में हम आवाज सुन सकते हैं बट फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन नहीं देख सकते। बट वीडियो चैट में हम फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन भी देख सकते हैं, आवाज भी सुन सकते हैं, एंड टॉकिंग, दैट इज communicate with each other, right? So here is the communication labels. Then after multimedia, the term multimedia has been coined from two terms, that is multiple and media. Multiple means what? Text, pictures, audio, video. Here is the all multiple combination of this media, and it's called media. So multiple media. Multimedia media means usage of multiple medias to communicate. This all media is used for communication, right? It's called multimedia. In other words, multimedia is a combination of different media elements like a text, audio, graphics, video, and animation, right? Is all is the elements of media. The combination of all the media elements makes the communication more structured and understandable to the user. मल्टीपल मीडिया एलिमेंट से क्या होगा, जो भी यूजर है उसको जो भी मैसेज है, जो भी कम्युनिकेशन है, वो मोर अंडरस्टैंडेबल होगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा समझ जाएगा। मल्टीमीडिया इज नाउअडेज यूज्ड इन एवरी फील्ड लाइक एजुकेशन, थिएटर, एडवर्टाइजिंग, फैशन, गेमिंग, टू नेम अ फ्यू, राइट। ऑल फील्ड में ये मल्टीमीडिया यूज होता है नाउअडेज। Computer play a vital role in the development of these media elements. In this media, that is main role किसका है? Computer का है for developing media. A computer capable of handling text, graphics, audio, video, and animation is sometimes called multimedia computers. All this element is handled by computer, so it is called multimedia computer. Here is the elements of multimedia which we show. So next is elements of multimedia. ये सारी जो मल्टीमीडिया है वो हम वन बाय वन देखेंगे इन नेक्स्ट सेशन, राइट। सो यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक लाइव मल्टीमीडिया का एग्जांपल दिखाती हूँ। हियर इज द वेबसाइट, राइट। तो ये वेबसाइट में हमारे जो मल्टीमीडिया है वो यूज हुए हैं, जैसे हियर इज द टेक्स्ट, हियर इज द पिक्चर, इमेज, राइट। एंड इफ यू नोटिस ये पिक्चर चेंज हो रही है, राइट। सो इट इज एनिमेशन। देन आफ्टर व्हेन आई माउस यहाँ पे लेके जाएंगे तो एक नीचे ओपन होगा मेनू, राइट। सो इट इज इंटरेक्टिव ऑब्जेक्ट्स, right? So it is a combination of multimedia. So multimedia all field में use होता है nowadays, so it is very important. So सारे multimedia है वो हम one by one देखेंगे next video में. So thank you.